Hi, Wargamers. This is Umpire LaFondios. It is time to spend a few minutes with Moltke. Today we examine problem 13 of 66 problems you find in the book Moltke's Tactical Problems.
Your division has positioned itself at Tasdorf with the mission to secure the roads to Berlin in order to allow defensive preparations in the city to be completed. Berlin lies off-map to the west, as indicated by the yellow arrow. An enemy force to your east withdraws its rear guard, which was formerly positioned at Heidekrug. Your attempts to probe east of Heidekrug are vigorously repelled, informing you an enemy force is there. You also receive a report that another enemy force has entered Riesen, which lies to the northeast off the map as indicated by the red arrow. The enemy occupies the entire area to your east. You are to make the decision on where to position your division's main body in order to best enable it to respond to enemy movement toward one of the avenues of approach from the east. There are three options from north to south. 1. Move north to Eggersdorf in order to shorten the distance to the northern avenue. 2. Pull back to Neuenhagen in order to create space that allows for you to react to the enemy movement. Or 3. Remain near Tasdorf. In your consideration, remember that you have a battalion to your south that is an observation asset that you can reposition to assist in the solution. Put the video on pause so you can consider your answer to the problem. You have considered your answer carefully and made notes so you can compare your solution to Moltke's. His solution is to remain in place, recalling the Southern Battalion and sending it north to the area south of Strasbourg in order to keep the Northern Avenue observed. The reasoning for his choice of solution is the preservation of your force. Whichever avenue the enemy chooses, your division has sufficient time to react. When a friendly unit marches, it loses strength as soldiers drop from the formation and a sort of natural attrition occurs. If your division marches north and has to march south again, it loses strength needlessly. Field Marshal makes the teaching point, preserve your forces. I hope you enjoyed this few minutes with Moltke and the lesson was useful. Ensure you test some of his ideas on the wargaming table. We'll see you out there.